It is now 6:15 on this Friday night as we approach the weekend. Not exactly going to be sunny, warm, 80 degrees, that whole thing here in Northeast Ohio, right?
No.
Just guessing.
Yeah, no,
Right,
not
yeah.
here. That would require a plane ride. But as far as our weekend goes, I think tomorrow is going to be kind of the choice day to get things done.
Okay.
Just some clouds, kind of meh. Sunday's got a little bit more punch to it. We got some snow coming on Sunday that's going to probably get your attention.
So tomorrow's meh.
Meh.
And Sunday's worse. Is that what you said? Just checking.
Tomorrow's meh, and Sunday is ugh.
Okay.
You got it? Okay.
Got it.
I have my own dictionary one of these days. Temperatures steady and slowly falling as we get into the rest of the evening and the overnight hours. Clouds with us. We do have some scattered snow showers that have been passing through. Very light stuff, more flurries than anything else. Temperatures are still in the mid-30s. Wind chills are in the 20s. This is not anything we haven't dealt with before. And now we are finally starting to see that lake effect revving up. We've been dealing with these light scattered snow showers and flurries today, kind of on off. Temperatures as they continue to cool, we'll get a little more fluff going. And with that beautiful flow coming in off of the relatively warmer waters of Lake Erie, we end up getting lake effect snow. So we are expecting light accumulations of lake effect snow in the primary snowbelt areas, maybe a couple inches on the ground by the time tomorrow wraps up. Let's go National Design Mart hour by hour now and take a look at how this all is expected to go down. These lake effect showers will stay with us. That northwest wind kind of driving all of that moisture in off of the lake. Cloudy skies will be with us otherwise. We may get a few breaks in the overcast. And tomorrow morning, I think we will be mostly cloudy to get the day going. The good news here is most of that lake snow should be winding down and moving out. Midday, a lot of cloud cover around. Mansfield will be about 32 at noon. Same for Sandusky and downtown Cleveland, points beyond. We're not expecting the mercury to move all that much tomorrow because of the cloud cover. We will be getting a southerly push. And then in between afternoon into the evening, we may even get a couple light gray areas of the sky. I don't know if you're going to see any blue, but we may have some brighter spots in the sky, which is great news. Tomorrow evening, then, we will be on the lookout for the clouds to begin to increase by Sunday morning and the snow chances to be on the increase as well. Temperatures Sunday morning starting off right around the freezing mark. So this will be most likely a wet snow. It's not going to be a real pretty fluffy snow. It's going to be a little bit wetter as it comes down. And we're expecting periods of this snow through the day on Sunday. So our temperatures hold in the low 30s and that snow just kind of continues to come down in waves. I don't think it's going to be terribly heavy at times. We may have some road impacts because the temperatures are pretty steady in the low 30s. But as of right now, it's late January. We know what we're doing with this, and this is not going to be a massive storm for us, thankfully. It does look like the snow should start to wind down, though, by the time we hit Sunday evening into the overnight. So how much snow is coming? Well, not a ton. As of now, this is one of these sneaky southern storm systems. If it moves a little bit slower, if we get into a little zone where we have a little bit better lift, we may end up getting a couple more inches of snow. But right now it looks like 2 inches or less for most of Northeast Ohio. Then, of course, we have to account for tonight's lake effect on top of that. That would be in the primary snowbelt areas. So not a big deal for us, just something that you need to know about if you're going to be out and about. I did show you there the satellite and radar picture because I want to show you there is some rain that's starting to move northward. This is for our Sunday system. That system is sitting here in the Four Corners region. You can kind of see it revving up right here. And that whole trajectory comes right up into the state of Ohio. So we'll go in the big picture now. There it is, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That storm is still south of us, but the rain moves in by Sunday morning. The snow moves in by Sunday morning. We'll continue to have those periods of snow before it backs off, moves out by Monday with just lingering snow chances around. But by Tuesday, we're going to be watching yet another storm system. This one is going to have more punch to it. Wednesday will be a day that we need to keep an eye on because we will start off with some kind of a wintry mix that will then kick over to snow, and we could be looking at a little bit more in the way of accumulation. Union Home Mortgage forecast, temperatures in the 30s all the way through the weekend as that Sunday snow moves out. By the time we get to Tuesday, our temperatures go up ahead of the next storm system that will bring us the snow on Wednesday. Lingering snow showers expected Thursday and into next weekend. So we're going to get into this little unsettled pattern once that Wednesday storm system goes by. But on the whole, I mean, that's not too bad. A little bit of snow on Sunday, a little bit more snow possibly on Wednesday as we watch to see what comes after that.
As you say, it is January. It is what it is.
This is it.
All right. Thanks, Betsy.